welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're gonna have an anticipated video you guys have been asking for. Racing side by side. We got two of the baddest Boost District built cars here. Well, two of the finest cars that we've done. We got Adam's BD1000 twin turbo C8 Corvette, and we got the C8 ZR1. Both of these cars are making 1,050 to the wheels on our dyno. Which one did it better? Did Chevrolet do it good? Or did Boost District hang with with the guys at Chevrolet, at GM, multi-billion-dollar company? And just us, Boost District, right here, you and me, hanging out, building badass American horsepower right here in Texas. So let's get to this video. I'm gonna show you guys both cars on what we've done to them and how we built them and how we perfected them, and show you guys racing side by side in our home track, right in our backyard. Let me know down in the comment section who do you think will win. So pause the video, watch the cinematics, and type in the comment section who's winning. Let's go. To the racing, I'm gonna show you guys the two cars that we have so you guys can see what's done to it. Adam, come over here and show your car. This is Adam's C8 Corvette that we've built for the last several years. It's seen everything, heads and cam package, and now to this beautiful build.
We got your beautiful lighted up twins down there, baby.
These are glow in the dark, by the way. We powder coated them, and we put the light kit on it, and it glows in the dark. It's pretty gnarly. So,
Car's loud.
Yeah, car's very loud, titanium tips on it. And we also did a full fuel system. This car makes 1,048 in our dyno. So it's a really good comparison then on 93 octane. 93 octane, 1,048, and that car makes 1,000 XXX. We'll talk about that car in a second. So
Wrappers, did a beautiful purple wrap on it. It's a cheetah purple. We did the door panels, we wrapped them, door jams, and we did a different pattern on here. A little different pattern. Want to switch it up, that way we go to car shows, let's see two different sides of the car. And it drives like a daily driver all day long until you hit the skinny pedal on the right. It's got the little anti-lag on it, and you can do a little popping at the end if you want to. Scare the local folks, you know what I'm saying?
So this car has several features. We put the anti-lag on it, it has boost cut, and it also has two-step. So those three things are in it, and it's ready to rock and roll. And I really feel like that anti-lag is going to be what wins today's race. I don't know who's going to win. We've never done this side by side. Today we're gonna find out. I'm gonna find out. He's gonna find out. You guys are gonna find out all in the same time. So, but that anti-lag is gonna be a game changer. So, now let's talk about the yellow car, the 2026 Boost District C8 ZR1. You guys have seen this car on the channel several times. We've made several videos on it. It has the Boost District Stage 2 high flow cats, and it has a Corsa cooler intake on it, and it has the carbon competition catback exhaust. This is the best sounding C8 ZR1 that I've heard. I'm not biased, maybe I am a little bit, but you guys in the comment section have agreed in the last video that it is a pretty gnarly setup. So this car made 1,071 with a JD4 tune on 93 octane, and I'm really excited to test these two cars side by side.
Fight!
Alright, now that we have the light situation sorted, pretty happy with this. Now we don't have to be rushing. Anyways, talk about round one. I jumped.
I was playing with the anti-lag.
You're playing with the anti-lag, I jumped. So we'll call that a test pass for both of us.
Yeah, let's do it. We'll do it better next time.
Okay, now we move the cone a little bit more. We have about 3/8 of a mile for runway.
Yeah.
And that'll be a higher speed, so easier for both of us.
Yeah, I'll be in boost. I'll be in boost this time.
Okay, alright. You'll be in boost, I'll be in boost, break boosting, I guess. And then may the best man win.
Let's do it.
There you go. Before we run race number 2, we're gonna insert the dyno runs right here so you guys can see how close to side by side these two cars. So watch his dyno videos and then watch the racing and see how close they can get.
Fight!
Okay, that's a lot more even comparison between both. We need to put a cone on the shutdown so we know where the end is, but that's definitely a lot more even comparison of two 1,000 horsepower cars running side by side. I think he might have gotten the edge on me, or I don't know. We need to look at the footage. Let's go look at the footage right now and see who won, because I saw him on my side the whole time, so that's a good sign. Alright, this is round 3 or round 4, I lost count. So, alright, next round. Here we go. We're right now pretty even, so we extended the start line a little bit just to see if we can get a better run. So,
Round 3. Fight!
That is going to be a badass video. We were dead fucking even. Dead even at the end of that. That's a good ass video right there.
that was a good run. On the higher speed runs, that car takes off. On the lower speed runs, I think this car has a little better traction. I think obviously it also has drag radial, so that helps too. He's on a street tire. That's really cool. It's awesome. Like the point of me here versus that car, really, it's a car that costs a half the cost to build.
Round 4. Fight!
Adam's car gave it a good run last time, and but he said he jumped. So we're gonna see how we fare up this time. We're gonna go side by side. I'm gonna watch him.
Round 5. Fight!
Damn! Damn! Yeah! Good race! Both of these cars are heavy hitter, 1,000 horsepower to the wheels, and that just proved it! Badass.
That was cool. Yeah.
That was like the first one you might have jumped, right?
I did.
But that one we were side by side.
Side by side through the traps.
Were we side by side?
That was dead even that time.
Yeah,
Dead
that was
even
dope.
from the start, and the end looks like pretty dead even too.
It's gonna be, that's gonna be tail of tape for sure, but
Yeah.
we were nose to nose.
Cameraman, do we have angles?
This is the last race right now.
Oh, you were ahead!
Yes, by bumper.
Dang! That's cool. I want that footage. I guess we're gonna see that from the camera. That's cool.
nice. Yeah,
This
we
is
were running
badass.
right there.
This
We
is
were running.
badass. Good job, man. Thank you. Well, next time we go race, what do you guys want to see next? The ZR1, the E-Ray, the Stingray versus what? Versus the world. That's cool. We gotta do this again.
Yeah, it was a nice night.
Yeah, we gotta do the
Good night
black.
for it, too.
Yes, we gotta do your Blackwing.
We need to have some Blackwing on Blackwing crime.
We got a couple people.
Okay,
We
let's
did
get
that before, but I think we need to turn the other car up.
Okay.
He's watching this video, so I need my money.
We're about to put a fuel system on our Blackwing then.
Yes.
Mama's grocery.
I like it. She's gonna drive it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. I like that idea. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. This is a badass race. We got to do this more often. I love being in the track.
Beautiful night.
Safe racing, not gonna get in trouble, but still running the cars, improving their performance. Chevrolet, badass ZR1. I felt like for a car half the price, the Stingray of Adam. BD1000, $60,000 build, $70,000 car. Hard to beat.
Yeah.
Hard to beat. And you have the fun of the two-step, the anti-lag, the boost cut. The ZR1, you have a lot of this stuff too, but you know.
High price tag.
High price tag.
And a high wing.
Hey, that's cool. It's a good looking car.
That's a badass
I
car.
say that car is worth it for what it is, but the Stingray is so much more fun. It's a lot less money for what it is, and I think that's a really cool car that the masses can have.
Somebody bring me 230 and they can have this one.
Hey,
I'll just sell that from underneath you.
Next time we need to have a drag pack on your car, and I think we can launch a little harder too.
Yeah, I'm on street tires.
Yes.
So I mean, it's a huge difference out here. And we didn't mess with tire pressure at all. It's I'm probably running, I don't know, 40 psi. So we're
32, I checked, but that's
you
all
did?
right. Yes. Okay, cool. Anyways, that'll do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We appreciate the support. Thank you, Adam and Anna, for coming, and all these guys for helping us support. We appreciate you all for watching, and we gotta do a lot more racing. So comment down below what you guys want to see. We'll see you in the next one. Stay boosted. Thank you.